Good morning. This morning we're going to make Raisin Bran muffins. To start with, we're going to put our dry ingredients in a bowl and mix them together. We start with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk them together. We're going to mix 1.25 cups of buttermilk. This is buttermilk substitute, and I'll put a link up above so that you can see how I made it. We're going to put 1/3 cup of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg. I'm going to back up a little bit. I'm going to stir the cereal in at this time. This is 2.5 cups of Raisin Bran cereal. Once the cereal is totally coated, then we're going to set it aside. And we're going to go back to our liquids and mix them together with a whisk. Once those are thoroughly combined, we're going to bring back our cereal mixture, and we're going to dump the liquids into the cereal. Again, we're going to mix it all up so everything is combined. And then we're just going to let that sit and meld together for 45 minutes. This recipe comes from a brown-eyed baker, and I will put a link in the description for her website. So these have soaked now for 45 minutes. So now we're going to put them in muffin cups. Supposed to make 12. Let's see how close we come to that. Nice mess. Okay, so now we're going to put that in an oven, 375 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Until, if we insert a knife in the center, it comes out clean. And then show you how much it all buttered up. Very good. See you next video.